Hello, and welcome to this episode about picking the right format and layout for your resume. There are a few resume building tools online. Their templates can be handy if you're short on time or are not proud of your design skills. However, if you want to have a personalized resume, creating it from scratch on Word or Google Docs is the way to go. We highly recommend this alternative as it allows for more flexibility. Here are a few tips that will help you pick a resume format that will make recruiters impressed. In terms of layout, give preference to simple ones with clear sections and heading titles. Remember that recruiters only take on average 6 seconds to read a resume, so your education and titles should be highlighted and easy to identify right away. Don't forget to adjust the page margins and make sure that you have uniform sections. Use a regular font such as Arial or Calibri. Use sizes 10 to 12 for the body and 12 to 16 for headings. This isn't the time to be creative. Your resume should be clean and easy to read. When it comes to colors, use subtle ones, such as gray or blue, to highlight the headings or a section. It contributes to making your resume easier to read. Fonts that are all black also work well if the font sizes and styles highlight the most crucial information. Even if you have only a few experiences, make sure to fill in at least one full page. A resume that is less than 1 page long doesn't make a good impression on recruiters. On the other extreme, a very long resume can raise the recruiter's eyebrows. They might think that you're padding out your resume to make it seem impressive. Also, it can be very tedious for the recruiter to read a very long resume. So to make their work as simple as possible, stick to 1 page. In the next episode, we'll explore how far back should a resume go. I'll see you there.